And away we go.
We take it, and then we take the trips.
Hello and good morning. Today we are heading up the I-17 and we're going to do something that we wanted to do for quite a while now. We're going on the Verde Canyon Railroad, which is a 4-hour rail trip. It runs next to the Verde River. Come along with us and take a trip with us. See the trains off in the distance. (1917). This is interesting. Fright night? I wonder if they did like a haunted house type thing on the trains. So we are all checked in. It's gorgeous in here. Lots of merchandising. Train things. Train hat. A train hat.
My grandpa, I think, had a hat like that.
So they have a restaurant with chicken sandwiches and stuff. Chicken sandwich is $20. So, yeah. The merch is nice. So we got a $20 chicken sandwich. The bun's really nice, but like the chicken is teeny. Don't know if you can see that.
There was like somebody had like a breaded one and it was huge.
We made the wrong choice.
Oh wow.
These bags are nifty for $125.
Look at this guitar one.
All the beadwork. Oh wow, yeah, that's really cool.
Yeah.
So all of the cars are named after towns and cities in Arizona, and then every so often there's an outside car. We're just going to see if we can get a look at the engine.
FYI, there's parking up here.
Yes.
So if it's full,
Yeah. Come over here.
it seems like you can park over here.
Yeah, it does. So that's all the slag. That big wall of black over there. So that's all the byproduct of the mining that they were doing. We were watching Arizona highways, and the boat kayak guy was going past it, and he said that there's still a ton of gold and copper in that slag. You can just see the eagle on the front of the engine there. It's the way we're gonna go.
So, do we turn around?
Oh, must be there and back. So we're going to be in the Sedona car today. That one? Yeah, there. So they said get here at 11:30, board's at 12:45. So if you do that, you get in really quickly, but there's a long wait. There's a lot of people getting here right at, but you just sort of hang out in this area waiting. You're welcome. 4 A and B. It's a table. Yep, 4 A and B.
Here we are.
Alright.
Hi guys, how you doing?
Hello.
Table 4? Okay.
We got it right. We're on the train.
I know, we're in our...
And we're in a little bistro seat and we get a little view.
I'm going to be going back. Okay.
We can switch. We can switch. Because I don't care. So we get a little bottle of champagne and a little charcuterie with a brownie. It's exciting. It's cool. In comfy chairs. Very nice.
Our first drink on a choo-choo train. I had to say choo-choo train at least once. Bubbles. Cheers.
We're going to make a toast to our lovely anniversaries, to our veterans, and to an amazing day at the Verde Canyon Railroad. Cheers! Cheers! And you guys are free to go outside now.
And away we go. We have to wave.
This was a Disney.
This is all the stuff they pulled out in the mines. Got this out to show the river, and then the river's down there. Nope, still can't see the river. It's down there. Oh, you'll be able to see it up here. There's the river. See the front of the train. We're out here. Well, there's the bridge. Got ourselves a couple of drinks. I got a cream ale, Verde Canyon Railroad, and Eileen got a Coppertown Mandarin Wheat. Mine came in a fun little crowler. But lovely views to have a drink with. See all the red rock from Sedona now, getting closer and closer to it. So included was this charcuterie each, and the bottle of Cook's, and the ticket total was about $139 each. You can also get the caboose for up to 6 people, 6 adults, for $1,200 to just have it by yourself. So we might have to do that in the future because it might be quite fun. It's a couple of eagles. or hawks. No, they're turkey vultures. Face on that, right?
Oh,
It said
yeah.
Abraham Lincoln. The hair is the bush at the top. It's a bush on a rock. Lincoln.
He like lives in my back.
Plateau, there's a rock sitting up on top of two other rocks in the sky through the middle. And it's called Cold Rock.
We're on a train.
We are on a train.
Not on a
Nice.
boat.
It's very nice.
Another cave up there.
See the cave there?
Yeah.
You know, he was talking about where this came from. This log.
That's what it was saying, yeah.
Gas
All right, folks, it is train time. We'll be coming up to our tunnel in about 5 minutes here. This tunnel is about 734 feet long.
bridge. Yeah, it is a bit rusty. It was fun.
Engines are going to detach from the front. They'll make their way right alongside us on these tracks and reattach at the caboose. Little fun fact, that building that we passed back there was the original train depot. There was also a famous movie that was partially shot in Perkinsville called How the West Was Won. So if anybody's seen that movie, part of that has been filmed in Perkinsville. So we do also have a couple specials while we are here. Oh, sorry. We have a couple specials while we're here. We have a mudslide, which is going to be Kahlua, Bailey's, and caramel vodka. We put it in a blender with an ice cream sandwich and top it with whipped cream and chocolate drizzle. Oh my God. And then we have Arizona Sunrise, so orange juice, tequila, and grenadine. Sorry. As well as prickly pear lemonades with a shot of either vodka or rum. So if anybody's interested, just let me know. We also have ice cream sandwiches by themselves for $1.
Manufactured by General Motors Electric Motor Division. First served them in the Great Lakes. It was built for about 40 years. It was transferred up to Alaska for another 20 years. Before sitting in a museum for about 10 years.
Good story. Yeah.
We have a little bit more to share with you guys about Perkinsville here, if you guys stick around for a little bit. Back in 1969, there was a production company out of Hollywood, and they were coming out to Arizona to a few different spots out here to film a classic western, and they picked Perkinsville. At the time, it was already a ghost town, and it was a really cool spot to film out of film, right? And so they were filming a classic western. It's a John Wayne. You guys might have seen it. It's called How the West Was Won. If you guys have seen that movie, you will have seen a scene where the cast step off of a train from these rails right onto that platform there. In the background of that, background of that scene, you see all of these fields filled up with saguaro cacti. Now, those cacti are the really tall ones with the arms on, and not seeing a whole lot. Now, the saguaro cacti in that movie were built by hand out of wood and paper mache.
We'll say this has been, we're halfway through.
Yeah.
It's been fantastic.
I know, I love it.
We've got a full bar. We've had a couple of beers, but nothing crazy because we're going to the brewery that's attached to our hotel later. But the weather's gorgeous. It's like 78. It's a bit warm, but it's nice.
It's not too bad. 77, I guess. Yeah.
All of the staff are amazing.
Yeah.
Like
They're so
our
good.
bartender, Sapphire.
I love it.
This guy, I didn't catch his Brian. Sorry, I'm bad with names. He just told us a fantastic story about how this railroad was made and how Perkinsville here, which we're at, how he bought it, and he thought it was another place, but it wasn't this place, and there were lots of fights, and that's Mingus Mountain, which your brother lives on the other side of that. Prescott is on the other side of that, but it's amazing. Alright, we're on our way back now. You go up one end and then come back. So I think this right side is very fortunate for us to be on, and we were lucky to be in these seats anyway. But you can get up and walk around as you like. I probably won't film that much on the way back, maybe in the tunnel, but yeah, good stuff. Comes the tunnel. mean, I think this is something we would do again.
I think so, yes.
Yeah.
For sure. We'll bring another battery though.
That battery's dying.
Rock Nation, we're gonna have to pass them first. We're gonna look way up behind us now. Rock Nation right over here.
So these are the coyotes. Up there. So you can see as they come out, the howling coyote. Two of them. Well, that's just sad. But yeah, if you're watching this, thanks for watching.
We'll see you at the brewery.
Yeah, at the brewery. Like and subscribe, all that lot. Thanks for taking a trip with us. So I see the shadows more.
Yeah, because now it's like afternoon.
An idea? Go see your parents. No, what do you want to go? No. But we could go to Napa for 3 days and then
Margarita, jalapeno, basil.
I've never married you.
I mean, like, look at how big this was carved out at one point in time.
It's like a cave with walls.
Imagine the waterfalls.
And like that, we are back at the depot. We're going to walk back into Clarkdale now. There goes the choo-choo. So cool. We've loved it. Thanks for watching. Like, comment, subscribe. Leave a comment, please. Just say hello. Go on the Verde Canyon Railroad. It's fantastic.